am Joseph Yacino, Yada Chef in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and this great space you see me cooking in is Kitchen 953. Kitchen 953 is Broward County's #1 professionally shared culinary space. Scones. Scones, potato, whatever you want. However you want to say it, they're easy to make. There's no mystery involved around making scones. I am going to show you how to make English scones with cream cheese and raspberries. Now what you do is combine your flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, and an egg in a bowl. I've already started to do that, along with my cream cheese. And you just take half the amount of cream cheese as a normal recipe would call for and substitute that for the butter. So you use half butter, half cream cheese. Then you put in your raspberries. Mix gently. You're going to have some breaking up, not to worry. You can see this is what it looks like. Everything's getting nice and incorporated. And you're going to pat this out so that it is somewhere between 3/4 of an inch and an inch thick. That's 2 to 2.5 centimeters in thickness. You can use your hands, you can use a rolling pin, whatever you choose. Then cut these up into triangles. Cut in half, half again, half again, half again, and half again. That's cutting it up into eighths. Put these onto a pre-greased baking sheet. Bake them in a hot oven, 425 degrees, 220 Celsius, for 12 minutes, 10 minutes maybe, depending on how hot your oven runs. Brush the tops with a little bit of, that's an ugly one, little bit of milk that will help them brown. And then you'll be ready to go. And so there you have it. These are English scone with raspberry and cream cheese made easy. I'm Joseph Yacino. Thank you so much for watching.